Alright guys, so in the morning when the cold start, you'll hear this noise. So one is a secondary air pump. On this model, it's very loud. But then you can also hear a little bit, like the bell is actually making a tiny noise. You can hear that too. See, right now the secondary air pump is kicking in. But then you can also hear the, I don't know if you hear it, but it's right here. So what you can do, this is just temporary. Get something like a silicone. See, the noise goes away. So yeah, so that you can know it's a bell by spraying just a little silicone on it. But then the long time solution is still replacing it. See, it came back. We give it a little bit more. See, it goes away. So that's how you quickly diagnose a bell that is making a noise. But the long-term solution is to replace it. So we are going to do a video about replacing the bell on this one. And also the idler pulley and the tensioner. Because a common issue on the W204 and this generation of V8 Mercedes, the tensioner tends to go quite a bit. So then in that case, the bell will actually slip and it will actually destroy. So we're going to do a video on that one very soon. Okay guys, so the first step, you remove the two intake holes. This one and this one. So what you want to do, you pull this away from the air filter housing, and then you unclip from here to the top here. That's it. So after you remove it, make a note of how the bell goes, because trust me, you'll forget it sometimes. So the next step, what you're doing, you're actually releasing the tension on the tensioner so you can get the bell out. So I will just show you real fast. Over here, here's our tensioner, right here. This one, that's your tensioner. So then, because I'm actually replacing it, so I will show you one. So this one, 6PK2395, I believe that's the length number. So that's the bell. The part number for the tensioner is, let's see, this one. Try this number, you should find it. It's like this. So right now it's sitting over there like this. So what we want to do, we want to get a 17mm socket right here, and then we want to turn it. In that case, we'll release the tension. We can get the belt out. Okay, so right now my ratchet is on it from here. Yes, so right now my ratchet is on it like this. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to pry this one down, like this one down, so that I loosen up the belt from the tensioner. Okay, so then let's do that. Set this up to the side. So basically you release the tension and you loosen the belt. That's it. Nice and easy. That's all you're doing. Okay, so release the belt like this, and then here you go. That's it. Now the belt is off. Okay, the next thing, we want to take out the tensioner because we're replacing it. So right now we're in this position like this. There's one bolt right there, and there's another bolt right here. But this bolt is blocked by the tensioner. I don't know who designed it, but yeah, when the pin is not in, this bolt will be blocked by this tensioner. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna release the tension, use this to hold down the tension, and then we're gonna remove the bolt, right? So this has the pin to go in, and then remove the bolt. As you can see, let me show you guys. I push that pin inside the hole like this. I don't know how good the camera will pick up, but yeah, it's right there. So then now we get to the, I can get to the bolt right there. That one is the one I need to loosen up. Okay, so then okay. Yeah, there it is. See? So what I did, I just used a pin, put it here, make sure it's in, and then I can undo this bolt. Okay, so I also want to replace this one right here. Then replace this one, and then replace that one. Okay guys, so we got all the component off. So then I just want to give you guys a rundown in case if you guys are lost. Okay, so this one, the one with the groove. Okay, when you remove it, there's a metal plate over here. I transferred this to here. I think it's just a protection cover for this. There's a metal plate here. I think it's just a protection cover between the bearing and the focus actual material that prevent the dirt to go in. So I transferred this plate. Right? Everything else looks the same, so just gonna leave it like that. Okay, so on to the next pulley. So this one, the one with the groove, this one goes on the higher one right here. I'm just gonna put it in for now so we don't forget. All right, just put it in here for now. And then the bigger one with no grooves, just one big slot for this one. So just keep in mind this one is directional, because look how the ball has a centric like a mechanism. So you want to put it in, so then it will kind of put it in the middle. So this one goes under, is lower. It's right here. So I'm gonna do everything by hand for now, and then we're gonna torque it to spec later. All right, There we go. As for this one, what you do, you insert the bolts, you route the belt on, and then you pull the pin out. I will show you how to do this later. Very easy. But right now, we're just gonna insert the 2 bolts, right here and here, onto the block. Aye. No thread for me to go with, man. Like, really? Okay. There. So this is your number 1 and number 2, right there. Those are the 2 holes that you're trying to put the tensioner in. It's right there. And there we go. Okay, so I walk the bolts in with my hand, all good. So I'm just gonna use this to tighten up just a bit. Okay, so we're still gonna torque it. I just tighten up for now. Run the bolts in like this, and that. And then don't forget the different size one, which is right over here. Same thing, 35. Right there, 35. Okay, so after that, we're gonna put the belt back. Here, we're gonna put it back. Just for my own reference. This is what I like to do. I like to compare the length. So what I do this. And then one side. I do this. This and this. Just put it straight. Make sure they're kind of the same, like this, which they should be. Because if you look at the old belt, remember the number I told you, 2392 right here, 2392. We are at 2395, so we're fairly close. So, you know, but always good to double check. So now route the belt, if you still remember how to route it. Okay guys, so after you install the belt, it should look like this. Let me see a good angle right there. It should be like this. I'll post a diagram in the video if you want to know how exactly this is. But then right now what we're gonna do is very important. So basically we're gonna go in here. We're gonna release the tension with our ratchet like this. And then once we release it, we're gonna pull the little pin out. Okay, so let's do that. Here, let's see if we can make it just a little easier for everyone to see. There we go. Okay, so I want to show you guys, so I have to work in this little space. But then basically you put this on, let's socket on. Okay, let's socket on, and then you just give it a little more tension. Okay, so take that pin out, let go, that's it. Then you're done. Nice and easy. Very good job, guys. So after that, we actually gonna replace there's 4 actuators like this, and they're all leaking from this magnet seal. So we're gonna replace that, all the magnet seal. So we're gonna make another video for that. This one right here.